guys. I'm glad to welcome you to our Liberland Railways corporate YouTube channel. My name is Denysyuzhakov. I'm founder of this project of Liberland Railways Club, Liberland Railways Business Club. And today I would like to represent you a new project from PGN Network, from our member. It's investment project with is connected to mineral water and beverages. So this is a very interesting project because this business is ongoing and has positive income. They would like to expand their business. They're located in Lithuania. Nevertheless, let's take a look at my screen to find out a little bit more about the project. So, general information about the project. Company is located in Lithuania, and majority. Just a second, I will check. They have a manufacturer. It is a plant, mineral water plant with own manufacturing, manufacturing of soft drinks, and they have production area about 2,000 square meters, and it's a joint stock company with a number of shares of 102. So company's activities, you can see the company specializes in production of soft drinks and mineral water. It's in Lithuania. The company operates a mineral water well of 120 meters deep on their own territory. And water studies have shown that the mineral water extracted by the company, which extracted by the company, is of extremely high quality. The company has created its own brand line called Old Town. So it's their own brand of this mineral water. This brand consists of orange and lemon and mineral water drinks bottled in unique design bottles. Just a couple of words about Lithuanian soft drinks market. I think it will be useful to know for the investors or for the future partners. You can just see sales of soft sweetened beverages, two graphics, two diagrams. Of course, half of the market is occupied by Coca-Cola company, actually, and 13% by PepsiCo Inc. Actually, both companies are members of our Liberland Railways. And we can see others, Olvi Group, Cowan Craft. I think it's local brands. The volume of market is 64 million euros. And on the right diagram, we can see sales of carbonated and still water. It's also a pretty huge market, 56 million euros. And the company is occupied market share between some companies. So we can see others is 4%, and here's others is 17%. Also, we can see a huge player in CIS market as I see AD's Borjomi International, Carlsberg Baltic. Nevertheless, these guys, we will be happy to get you to make to get contact with the owners. They will represent their business as they know this market very well, and they will be happy to be introduced with potential investors or potential partners which would like to be in this business, and they will specify the market of Lithuania. Nevertheless, we're not speaking about Lithuania only, because they would like to enter new markets of new countries. Here is represented the strategic objectives of the company. So first strategic objective: to upgrade the production line, to repurchase the real estate rented by the company, and activate the beverage production activity. At this stage, 70% of the production would be produced for the local market. Is the first stage. The second strategic objective is expand production capacity by building another production base nearby, drilling a second well, and installing necessary technological equipment. So we're speaking about expanding facilities. The third strategic objective: to restructure the marketing strategy, develop and expand product range, and concentrate sales in export markets. At this stage, the goal will be to export up to from 80 to 90% of the production. So this is a roadmap of this company. They would like to develop their business. We will see it in more details in the next slide. So just you can see company development strategy. First strategic phase is 3.5 million euros required. You can see purchase of existing buildings because they're renting it, and purchase of technological equipment. You can see the sales. Local markets prevail, and export is 35% from the whole average. On the second strategic phase, 6 million euros required, drilling a new water well, increase the production area, purchase of technological equipment. So local market is more than 1.5% increase, and also on this stage, on this strategic phase, we can see prevail export strategy prevails. And on the third strategic phase, not large amount needed, about 500,000. You can see development of the product range, logistics optimization, sales channel expansion, And also you can see up to 80% of products will be exported. And this coefficient, this we can see 3.5% sales in local market. So we don't have a lot of description about the history of the company, of team of the company, experience, and so on and so forth. I think it will be available after your detailed request. We'll be happy to let me remind you. We'll be happy to introduce you if you're interested. So just contact us under emails indicated under this video, and we can see just numbers. So total estimated investment is 10 million euros. The investment would be absorbed in 3 phases. You saw it. The uptake of the first stage investments would be take up to 6 months. So first stage duration is 6 months. The uptake of the second phase of addition will be additional 18 months, so a little bit more, 1.5 year. And the third phase also up to 6 or 8 months after implementing the second phase. So we can see allocation of investments on this diagram: 45% buildings, then technological equipment for 27%, working capital about 11%, and also VAT and other investments. So this information is repeated previous information in previous slides. So first phase 3.5 million, second phase 6 million, and third phase is 500,000. And just you can see on the screen which actions could be done. So purchase of buildings, technological equipment, working capital, drilling a well, assortment development, logistics optimization, and so on and so forth. You can just pause our video, and if you're interested, just study all these numbers, all of these economics. As for financial forecast, also I will not quote you all the information. You can see just on your screen. It's just P&L. The profit report was prepared after assessing the expected growth potential of the market, the productivity of production equipment, the flow of water wells, the available customers and their potential orders, as well as company's investment development plans and deadlines for their implementation. So you can see profit report from 2023 up to 2029. So gross profit in 2023 is 307,000 euros, and in 2029 is 5,383,600. You can see operating costs in 2023 and 2029, and income and net profit. So you can see the positive profits will be started from 2025, or just trace it on special graphic to see what is you can see just dark green, maybe it's incomes, gross profit is light green, EBITDA in yellow, and net profit, you can see also is growing. So the same economics with BS financial forecast. So current assets, we can see from 1.6 million up to 5.7 million in 2029. Total assets is 9.3 million in 2023 and 12 million in 2029. And total liabilities. Also, you can see this information on your screen. As you can see, there. Let me remind you, all the amounts are in euros. As we can see, they are involved in economics because they are representing more economical indexes than representing their company. Nevertheless, it's not a problem for us to organize our meeting to speak with the owners, and they will explain you all the information, all the indexes. Here's forecast of cash flow. Also the same period from 2023 up to 2029. Net profit, investment activities. So you can see investment activities up to 2024, and net cash flow. Net cash flow will have positive index in 2024. Up to 1.6 million. So you can check the balance, cash balance in beginning, cash balance and the end. So at the beginning of the year, at the end of the year, all the numbers would be explained by the owners. And one more graphic, one more. You see the really economics is their strong side, more than description of their products actually. Nevertheless, average predictive indicators, average income growth of 47%, average net profit margin of 14%, average EBITDA margin 25.8%, and average return of assets 8.9%. And also average return of investment is 9.3%. So you can also see profitability indicators on your screen. EBITDA in 2023 and in 2029 from 10% up to 35%, and return of assets from -5 from negative balance up to 25 positive. So this is information, and finally we can see a return of investments. So what can we see here? Amount of planned investments, 10 million euros. The real value of company business is 11.6 million. So the value of company's business is determined by the method of discounted cash flows per shareholders, strictly based on the planned indicators, and it's is realistic if the actual future operating results remain with the range of the targets. The required annual return on the investment will be exceed 9%, and the annual growth of the company's business after period analyzed will be at least 4%. So with these conditions, real estate real value of company will be 11.6 million euros. Payback of investments of within 6 or 7 years, annual return on investments 16%. Potential value of company's shares, actually they issued only 102 shares, so the price of the share is 113,000 euros, and at the end of the period it will be one share will be cost 254,000 euros. So this is a very interesting growth of the shares. Guys, we can see very interesting potential projects of manufacturing of soft drinks and mineral water this company is working company. They are producing, they are working, they producing and selling their products. And at the moment, let me repeat, they welcome you as investor and as a partner to be part of their company. So let me remind you, if you are interested, we will be happy to organize a meeting and introduce you with the owners of the factory of the company, and we'll be happy to provide more information. So please ask us in on the email addresses under this video, and we will be happy to provide you more information. And this is all information I would like to provide you about this investment project. It's a very interesting investment project. With the help of our information provided with the help of our partners, PGN Network. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel and just make a like of this video is my request. It will helps us to it helps us to grow, to make more information, and just subscribe to our channel to not to miss new videos, new information about new projects, about new members of our Liberland Railways business club, and we will be happy to be useful for your company, and you are welcome to be the member of our business club. So thank you for the watching, and we will meet in the next videos. Bye.